G'day guys, Craig from Solar and Sat. This week we've got a brand new DMAX in the workshop. So this customer has decided to go with one of our Long Weekender prefabricated power systems with a 130 watt solar panel up on the roof as requested. So to mount this one in there, we did have to route out a CNC custom headboard for the back here, and we wrapped that one in carpet just to mount everything in there and make it a lot neater. So up on the right there we have the 110 amp hour slimline battery. And on the left here, we obviously have our Long Weekender prefabricated power system. So these we build here in the workshop ourselves, ready to go into canopies, caravans, anything you like. And you can also DIY install these yourself. Our Long Weekender, which does include a 1200 inverter to keep your 240 powered up, 30 amp DC to DC charger, 20 amp solar regulator, and the Victron BMV, a few SIGGI sockets, USB sockets, and also some accessory switches for lights on this one. So we've got the amber LED strips, also have the white in it as well, and they're on all three doors. One good benefit about having the Long Weekender in here is that it does have a 1200 Victron inverter. Now this bad guy can surge out a little bit more if you do need more than 1200 watts for a short period of time, which will make for a great powered system when you're out on the tracks. Alrighty guys, so if you're after one of our prefabricated power systems to even install yourself, make sure you head over to the website and make sure you get yourself one.